guys, it's Caitlin. Welcome back to my channel. I have another easy and delicious recipe for you. Today, we are making blueberry muffins. Now before we get started, let's preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. First, we're gonna start with our dry ingredients. You're gonna need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. We're gonna add these together and then whisk. And this is the flour that I'm using. I'm gluten-free, so I love using this gluten-free all-purpose flour. Feel free to use whatever flour you love. All right, now that this is all mixed together, we're going to add it to our stand mixer. If you don't have one, totally fine. You can use a spatula and a bowl and do it by hand. Now we're gonna start by adding all of our wet ingredients to the same bowl. You're going to need 1.5 cups of milk. I'm using almond milk. You can use whatever kind you like. And we're just gonna add that in. You're also gonna need a 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using avocado oil. And we're gonna need a 1/4 cup of melted butter. I'm using vegan butter, but use whatever kind you like. If you're using unsalted butter, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Muffins coming up. We're gonna need 1 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and we're going to need 2 room temperature eggs. Now that we have all of our ingredients in the bowl, we're going to use our paddle attachment and we're going to mix it. And before we add the blueberries in, we are going to sprinkle them with a little bit of flour. This helps them to not sink to the bottom of the muffins. All right, now we're going to add in our 8 ounces of blueberries and we're going to fold these in. Now that those are all folded in, we're going to start putting our batter into our muffin tins. I like using an ice cream scoop. It makes it a lot easier. I personally love to butter and flour my muffin pan to keep them from sticking, but you could also use the paper baking cups if you'd like. Now the last step before we put these babies in the oven, we are going to top them with some fresh blueberries. We're going to bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. And top them off with some sparkling sugar. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a big like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, tag me in all your photos. I love to see what you guys create and check out more videos like this. I love you guys and I will see you next time. Oh no, we put blueberries on top.